about that, and we're so pleased to have you here, Yumi. And let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you. Welcome to cooking show titled 10 Anti-Aging Recipes That You Will Love. And I went over different sauces yesterday and potato salad, and some of you got to try, and hopefully you can get to try again. I'll be doing some cooking classes again at Whole Foods Market, and I'm very thankful that Whole Foods Market in Franklin store is sponsoring this event. And the ingredients I use are all from Franklin store. And the first recipe that I'm presenting is cheese sauce. Cheese sauce, it's really cheese sauce because our theme is health starts here from Whole Foods Market, and we believe that cutting down on oil, sugar, salt is the way to go to be healthy. That includes also anti-aging. When you're healthy, that every part of your body will be healthy and it will look great and will stay young and feel young and act and behave young too. So let me just go ahead and show you how to do this recipe. And you don't have handouts, but when you come to Whole Foods Market next Thursday, there will be a cooking class at 6 o'clock. Health Starts Here is sponsoring this class, and you will get the recipes. And you get to try even more recipes, the rest of the 10 anti-aging recipes that I'll be presenting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the very nutrient-dense, healthy cheese sauce. And it's not dairy, it's dairy-free. And made out of cashew, raw cashew, it's 365 grams from Whole Foods, and macadamia nuts, the combination. You can do just with cashew too, but the cashew gives really good flavor, and so as macadamia nuts. And the portion of the nuts, the basic idea is usually 1-to-1. You have one portion of nuts, one portion of water. So you put some cashew, and then some macadamia nuts here. And macadamia nuts are salted, so if you are eating on salt, you want to reduce the amount of salt. You don't have to add the salt to this recipe. So you can tweak depending on your need. Add some water. If you're using regular blender, not Vitamix like this one, you might want to add water little by little. If you add all the water that's required in the recipe, usually it doesn't blend very well. So let me go ahead and start blending. And when you blend, by the way, this is anti-aging recipe, right? So, and I can't really talk, and you can hear this blend. So, but what I do usually is, whenever I have to stand in the kitchen, do exercise. That's what you can do. So you can try to do exercise too as you wait for this to be blended. And then the rest of the ingredients can be added because nuts are the hardest one to blend. So you want to take it easy and slowly blend it. It takes about 3 minutes, but for the time's sake, I'm going to just cut short and go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients. Pimento, or you can use fresh bell pepper, red or yellow or orange, depending on your, mood or what's available. Also, you can use roasted bell pepper as well. And then basic seasoning I like to use is onion powder, about a tablespoon, and then pinch of garlic powder. But if you don't want the strong, overpowering garlic powder flavor, then you can skip this too. And dill weed is a really amazing thing that will give that particular flavor, almost like cheese, like real cheese. And it's really flavorful. And you're going to be sampling this, and this will be served at the end. And nutritional yeast flakes, vitamin B rich very nice nutrient-rich, healthy flavor. And then salt. If you like to add salt, you can use sea salt. Usually, sea salt takes less amount because it has natural minerals that will enhance. But salt is still salt. So if you are watching your blood pressure, stay away from it and use just lemon juice to make more kind of kick and zest to it. And then the last item is tahini. Are you all familiar with tahini? Do you know what it is? It's made out of sesame seeds, and that's amazing. Sesame roasted flavor will add to this beautiful cheese sauce that you're going to be enjoying at the end of my presentation. Okay, let's go ahead and blend. Don't forget to exercise. Good exercise. All right. Doesn't it look just like cheese? Let me pour it into the sauce here. Just like real natural dip, right? If you add more water, will be a little more runny, and if you want it thick, you can have less water. So you can just adjust by the amount of water too. So here is the first recipe. And this cheese sauce, we're serving with crackers, but you can also eat this with high nutrient food, such as kale, or broccoli, or spinach. And you know spinach is known for somebody in a cartoon character. Some of you are in the, yes, Popeye the Sailor Man. He is the one who eats spinach. And why does he do it? To increase his muscles. That's right. Why is it? Actually, interestingly, just not long ago, last year, 2011 February, there was a news from this Telegraph talking about spinach actually helps to energize you. What happens is, it's not just spinach, but plant has more nitrate, and that will help to work your mitochondria, which is the power station of your cells. So eating vegetables, anything, especially spinach, will help you to energize. And that's what we need to anti-age, right? So this is really rejuvenating. So eat your spinach. It's not just for Popeye, but for us too. And greens. And this kind of cheese sauce is so good to eat with. And just have always some spring mix and baby spinach around it. And it's so tasty to go with different sauce. And I know that Franklin store is showing some raw sauce or different sauces next week sometime. So if you go to the store, you will learn more about sauces to eat those very high nutrient green vegetables. So kale is a new beef is the slogan that I heard, and I really like this slogan. You know, who's saying this? It's Joe Furman. I really admire this doctor who talks about high nutrient or nutrient dense food, and he tells us that comparing broccoli or different green vegetables and steak, actually per calorie has a